everyone, and welcome back here at the cabin. We have received this refrigerator. SMAD is the company who sent us, and SMAD is the sponsor of this video. It's a big company that produces household appliances. In this case, they sent me this absorption refrigerator, really small, 60 liters of capacity. It's perfect for off-grid setup, teeny house, cabins and things like that. So it's really nice. You can customize everything you want. Okay, this is an absorption refrigerator, which means no compressor and 0 dB of noise, so it's perfect for our teeny cabin. The particular of this refrigerator is that you can use it with 3 different ways to power it. With AC power 220 volts, DC power 12 volts, and gas. Yes, this refrigerator works with the gas. As I said before, you can customize every spaces, here the distances, the shelves, and now I'm going to power it with the AC power 220 volts to test it and to put something inside and see the temperature. We choose to put it in this small space here under the kitchen, and I'm trying to set the footer. So this is the perfect position because we have the stones in the rear side, because every refrigerator produce heat in the rear, and I will sacrifice these three drawers, and I will modify after the cabinet and then open here and use the spaces inside too. So let's power. It's running, no noise, only an airplane up in the sky. There is a small LED light inside that turns on when you open the door, and now there is only one way to test a refrigerator. The only one a man can test a refrigerator, his beers. So here SMAD is a big and solid company with 26 years of experience with appliances. So I want to thank them, and thank you guys for watching. I leave the link in the description, and I go back to work. Thank you.